In legal language, including general English. Today I started the noun kinds of noun. The name of a word or place or a thing is called a noun. What is noun? The name of a word or place or a thing is called a noun. Ram, Shyam, Sita, Gita. The word thing is used to mean anything that we can think of. Look at the following sentence. Ashok was a wise king. Ashok was a wise king. The noun Ashok refers to a particular king, but the noun king might be applied to any other thing, any other king as to Ashoka. We call Ashoka a proper noun and the common noun. King a common noun. Sita is a proper noun while girl is a common noun. Hari is a proper noun while boy is a common noun. Kolkata is a proper noun while city is a common noun. India is a proper noun while country is a common noun. Kinds. Common noun, kinds, common noun, proper noun, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, These are the nouns, kinds of nouns. The word thing is used to mean anything that we can think of. वह शब्द जिसके बारे में कि हम आप सोचते हैं. What is proper noun? Proper noun is a Ashoka proper noun, thing common noun. Proper noun are always written with a capital letter at the meaning. Proper noun capital letter. Proper noun are something used in a common noun. Proper noun are used something in a proper common noun. Proper noun are used sometimes as common noun. Kalidas is often called the Shakespeare, the greatest dramatist of India. Kalidas is often called the Shakespeare of India. Shakespeare, the great dramatist of India. Common noun includes that we shall have collective noun and abstract noun. Common noun include what are called collective noun and abstract noun. Common noun include what are called collective noun and abstract noun. A collective noun is a name of number of person or things taken together and spoken of one whole. Crowd, mob, team. Crowd, mob, team, flock, flat, jury, family, nation, parliament, committee. Abstract noun is usually the name of quality, action, or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. Quality, action, state. Collective noun is usually the name of quality, action, or state considered apart from the object to which it belongs. Quality, action, state. Quality: goodness, kindness, whiteness, darkness, hardness, brightness, honesty, wisdom, bravery. Action: laughter, theft, amount, judgment, hatred. State: childhood, boyhood, youth, slavery, sleep, sickness, death, poverty. The names of article and science, that is grammar, music, chemistry, etc., are also abstract noun. We can speak of a brave soldier, a strong man, a beautiful flower, but we can also think of these qualities apart from any particular person or thing and speak of bravery, strength, beauty by themselves. So also we can speak of what persons do or feel. Apart from the person themselves gives it a name. The word abstract means drawn off. Abstract nouns are formed from adjective as kindness from kind, honesty from honest. Most abstract nouns are formed thus: from verb size, obedience from obey, growth from grow. The common noun is childhood from child, slavery from slave. Another classification of noun is whether they are countable or uncountable. Countable noun are the names of object, people, etc. that we can count, that is book, pen, apply, boy, sister, doctor, horse. Uncountable nouns are the names of things that we cannot count, that is milk, oil, sugar, gold, honesty. They mainly denote substance and abstract things. Countable nouns have plural forms while uncountable nouns do not. For example, we say books, but we can say milks. Today you have to know the noun, kinds of noun, what is the uses of noun, how we can use the noun, and also the what is the main purpose of noun in your using in skill grammar. You have to read the book, grammar book, Ray and Martin, and or you can read the book Rance and Martin. There are two writers. From them you have to read and write. Today the noun is completed.